Are you craving for a healthy lifestyle? Do you want to start your fitness journey? What are you guys waiting for? Hi guys, today in Follow the Fives, I'm going to tell you some hacks to start your fitness journey and hop into a new and healthy lifestyle. Firstly, you need to make these 5 changes to start your fitness journey. First things first, hydrate yourself. Staying hydrated ensures the proper balances of fluid both in and outside of our cells. It assists with the nervous system, temperature regulation, muscle function, nutrient transport, and proper excretion of waste from your body to avoid toxicity. Number 2, move. By moving, you're strengthening your muscles, which improves stability, balance, and coordination. Number 3, eat right. A healthy diet typically includes nutrient-dense foods from all the major food groups, including lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and fruits and vegetables of many colors. Number 4, get sufficient sleep. Minimum of 8 hours. Adequate sleep is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle and can have a positive impact on the lungs, kidneys, metabolism, and weight control. So these were a few lifestyle changes that were required before starting your fitness journey. But this is not it. You also need to start with basic exercises for better results. So here are some basic exercises that you can start with. Number 1, jumping jacks. Step 1, stand upright with your legs together. Arms at your sides. Step 2, bend your knees slightly and jump into the air. Step 3, as you jump, spread your legs to be about shoulder width apart. Stretch your arms out and over your head. Step 4, jump back to the starting position. Now, repeat the whole routine. Number 2, sit-ups. Step 1, lie down on your back with your feet on the floor, knees bent. Step 2, place your hands on either side of your head in a comfortable position. Step 3, bend your hips and waist to raise your body off the ground. Step 4, lower your body back to the ground into the starting position. Now, repeat the whole circle. Number 3, squats. Step 1, stand straight with feet and hip width apart. Step 2, tighten your core muscles. Lower down as if sitting in an invisible chair. Step 4, straighten your legs to lift back up. Step 5, repeat the movement. Number 4, knee push-ups. Step 1, kneel on the floor. Step 2, extend arms and put hands shoulders width apart on the floor in front of you. Step 3, tighten your core while you bend arms, lowering your torso until chest grazes the floor. Step 4, push torso back up by straightening arms, slow and steady. Step 5, rinse and repeat. Number 5, skipping. Step 1, hold the rope while keeping your hands at hip level. Step 2, rotate your wrists to swing the rope and jump. Step 3, jump with both feet at the same time, 1 foot at a time, alternating between feet, etc. Step 4, repeat until the set is complete. No matter how you choose to move, being active helps increase circulation, which leads to clearer, healthier skin. Do keep in mind to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Keep watching this space for more such content.